Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off your limits on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen to go to the menu and click the settings and privacy. Using the search bar, look for limited interactions and simply click the turn off button to turn off your limits on Instagram. But if you want to disable limits for specific categories of users, such as accounts that aren't following you or your recent followers, you can just toggle the button off beside them and not click the turn off button below. So you can turn off the limit for some users, but not turn off the feature entirely. Like this one, I'm doubling off just the accounts that aren't following me back. But then for my recent followers, there are still limits. And then we can also set a reminder for Instagram to remind us to turn off the limit feature. So you can adjust this anywhere from 1 day to 4 weeks. And that's how you can easily turn off limits on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!